This is the Smart Belt Ultimate, the most crowdfunded accessory 3 years in a row. Why are 50,000 people behind it and happy? It's a belt like no other belt you ever had. 32 minute adjustments 3mm apart for perfect comfort and adjustability on the go for any activity. Always perfect fitting, something no classic belt ever matched. A Kevlar core for ultra durability. Italian leather, dyed in depth that's impossible to scratch. Vegetable tan, top grain too. A size that's impossible to get wrong. A DIY custom size. We ship in September, friendly worldwide and on time. We even hold a crowdfunding speed record. Get your early bird discount before it ends. Get the best belt you'll ever own and the last you'll ever need.